First, remove the cob from its package. Then open the microwavable bag. Place the cob lengthways in the bag. Seal the bag using the provided tie. Place the sealed bag in the microwave. Set the microwave power to 800 watts and the timer for 2 minutes. Stop cooking when popping slows to about 2 seconds per pop. Take care when removing the hot bag from the microwave. Clear the cob, then remove. Add seasoning to your taste. Then shake the bowl and enjoy. Yummy! Available at Mr. D's Old Sweet Shop.